If you have a previous version of LCID or older version of LCID, it is recommended that you back up your database before performing the installation of the new version. To install LCID 6.2 Rev 101, go to the NTIA LCID Support Center webpage. Once there, you're going to want to locate the downloadable executable version 6.2 Rev 101 download link. Simply click it to begin downloading the LCID software. Wait for the download to complete before moving on to installation. Once you have successfully downloaded the LCID zip folder, right-click and select Extract All. Press the Extract button with the default location for the file to perform the extract. Once extracted, right-click the exe and click Run as Administrator. This is very important for installing LCID. This window pops up, select the Yes button. Now wait for the wizard to boot up. Once the wizard is open, you're going to go ahead and click Next. And click Next on this window as well. Leave these as default and click the Next button. Leave the destination folder as default as well. And continue clicking Next. LCID will now install on your machine. Click OK on this window. Let's see if it was installed correctly by saying yes, I want to launch LCID now. Click OK on the release information, and once you've gotten to this screen, you can successfully say you installed LCID. If you are having any issues installing LCID, it could be with your local host-based virus protection. If you are having issues, LCID may be having a problem with a security configuration called Data Execution Prevention. To configure that in Windows Security, you're going to go to the Update and Security window. You're going to go to the Windows Security tab. You're going to open Windows Security. Once in Windows Security, you're going to go to App and Browser Control, and you're going to go to the Exploit Protection Settings link. Under the Programs and Settings tab, you're going to add LCID to the Programs to Customize, and you're going to configure it so that Data Execution Prevention is an exception for it. Another thing you may want to do is ensure users have full control over the LCID data folder. The LCID data folder can be found on the C drive by default when installing LCID. To change the permissions, you're going to want to right-click the LCID data folder, select Properties, select the Security tab, and click the Edit button. Select the user that you wish to give full control of the application and select the Full Control checkbox. Click Apply, and now the user should have control over the LCID data folder. This may be necessary for completing day-to-day tasks in LCID.